What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Tech Boss. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving you guys a quick review, a first look and an overview of what's in the box of this, wait a second, of this guy right here. This is the brand new Mi Band 3. It's released a long time ago, I guess 3 months ago, but I got it now. But so yeah, without any further ado, let's jump right in. So guys, as you can see, here's the box, and I've ordered it online from souk.com. If you don't know what it is, it's just an e-commerce website in Saudi Arabia. Just a second guys, and there we go. That should be better. And let me just focus the light towards it, and there you go. There it is. I'm gonna be opening it up and we'll see what is inside. I hope it's a Mi Band 3. And guys, yeah, it is a Mi Band 3. So you can see here it is. This is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3. Let's get it in focus. Wait, let's unlock this guy. And there you go. Perfect. Let's put away everything else. And let's lock this. Okay, there we go. So I hope it's okay, but it's kind of hard to know if the angle here is okay. So yeah, let's just put it something like this. There we go. So I'm gonna open it up, and here it is. It looks really cool. This tiny creature right here. Let's get it in focus. Okay, there we go. There it is. So let's see how to open this bad boy. The box is pretty tiny, and as you can see, it is a Mi logo right here. And there we go. Let me just zoom out the camera a little bit, just to make you guys easier to see everything. Put everything away, and here it is. Open it up from right here. Open it. Get this box out, and we can leave this aside onto there. And this is the band itself. Looks really cool. And some people complain it's difficult to get it out for charging once you put it in, but I don't know. We'll see. And let's put the band back there, and here it is. And this is the charging thingy that you find. They can use it. You won't be using it a lot. So let's talk specs. This guy can monitor your heart rate automatically, and it has a 110 mAh battery, which is pretty decent for these things. And but wait, yeah. So let's put it on and we'll see how it goes. Nothing else to talk about. It's water resistance up to 5 atmospheres, so you can take it down to swimming. Let me just clean it. There we go. Yeah, it seems it's going to be a bit. This is the manual. It's written in every language. I'm not going to read that because I know we need to pair it with the Mi Band app. So let's see how to turn this on. Guys, how do we turn it on? Wait, I don't even know how to turn it on.
A few moments later.
So guys, I just read that I need to download the Mi Fit app right here. Let me just do that real quick. I don't need to show you guys, but it's okay. Mi Fit. Okay, Mi Fit, there we go. There it is. Install this. And there we go, it's downloaded. Zoom out a little bit. Sign in with my account, and let's do that real quick. Sign in. Okay, create now. So I'm gonna select UK. Current location is Saudi Arabia. So let's see. Saudi Arabia. Let's look for Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia there. And agree. Okay, there we go. Sign in. Name, okay. So let me just set it up real quick. I think I'm under 75, I guess. I'm around 61. Next. So I don't know, I'm just gonna choose 7,000, I guess. Tap, so I'm gonna pair it with a band. Click on OK. Got it. Allow. So let's turn Bluetooth on. There we go. Turn on. Searching. So it's searching for it. I think it might be the battery has died on this thing, but I'll charge. We'll see. So if it's not able to find anything, I don't even know how to turn this on. But wait, I'm just gonna plug it in for charging. So in order to plug it in, just put it like this. Boom. There we go. And let me go on to my, wait, what should I charge it with? Okay, let me just take my camera. Yep, let's see. Until now, no reaction. Okay, there we go. Guys, it's charging. So I'm gonna pair it with this band right here. I just clicked the same thing that I showed you guys. I hope it's in focus. Yep, there we go. Paired, there we go. It wasn't even a hassle. It was really easy. It shouldn't take too long. And there we go. There it is. It's all set up. We'll see how this goes. So, okay, make sure your battery level is more than 10%. Okay, got it. So yeah, I mean, it's cool. There we go. Now it's in perfect focus. Let's see, press and hold. Let's see if it'll find our device. Yep. Okay, found device. There we go. So guys, I finally charged my Mi Band up to 24% right here. As you can see, it's just this Mi Band. It looks really cool, but let's see how to update it. I don't even know how to yet. I just clicked here on devices on this device, and let's see. Yep, there we go. It automatically starts updating once you go about 10%. So I'm just gonna let it go, and I'll be back in a second. So guys, I'm back. It has finally updated. It just updated. It took like 2 minutes, but I came back after some time. But by the way, if you're wondering how to change this 24-hour clock to 12-hour, just go ahead onto your phone, change your phone from 24 to, as you can see, it's 24 hours. Just go back, go into, change it to 12-hour, and boom, it's gonna be and then obviously it's not gonna synchronize immediately, just as you can see. Oh, it did. So yeah, it just synchronizes immediately. But if it didn't, just turn off your Bluetooth, turn it back on, go to profile. It's gonna start connecting automatically to your band, and once it does connect, it should change your time automatically to 24 hours or whatever. I would like to keep it on this, so yeah. If you want any other video, I might review it, but probably not. But because there's nothing, it's one of the best bands you can find out on this planet, I guess, for the price especially. But yeah, and nothing else to say. So guys, that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and again please don't forget to hit the bell icon, and because that will just notify you whenever I upload a new video. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you like the Mi Band 3. If you buy it, I'll be leaving links down in the description. There will be links which won't cost you extra money, but it'll just help me a little bit. But that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Fuzal Ahmed from Mr. Tech Boss, signing off.